Traditional budgeting often overlooks why costs exist, leading to inefficiencies. Today, we explore activity-based budgeting. Unlike traditional methods, ABB links costs directly to the activities that drive them. This provides deeper cost understanding, better decision-making, and enhanced efficiency. Ready to gain a strategic edge? Let's dive into ABB. What is activity-based budgeting? At its heart, ABB focuses on the costs of activities required to produce goods or services. The core idea: activities consume resources, and products services consume activities. Instead of broad categories like overhead, ABB breaks operations into individual activities, e.g., machine setup, quality inspection, order processing. Costs are then assigned to each specific activity. This granular view reveals where money is truly spent and why. It's a significant shift from traditional budgeting, which often just adds a percentage to last year's budget without questioning underlying activities. ABB helps you understand the fundamental cost drivers for informed financial planning and resource allocation. Key concepts in ABB, the building blocks of insight. To truly grasp ABB, let's understand its three fundamental building blocks. Activities, the units of work. Activities are the fundamental tasks or processes performed within an organization that consume resources. They are the discrete units of work. Examples: processing customer orders, providing customer service, designing new products. Accurate identification is crucial. Cost drivers, the triggers of expense. Cost drivers are factors that cause a change in the cost of an activity. They measure the output or demand placed on an activity. For order processing, it's number of orders processed. Understanding drivers helps predict how costs will behave as activity levels change. Cost pools, grouping related costs. Cost pools are logical groupings of costs associated with a specific activity. You gather all resources consumed by that activity, labor, materials, utilities, and assign their costs to that activity's cost pool. This calculates the total cost of performing a particular activity. How activity-based budgeting works, step-by-step implementation. Implementing ABB involves a systematic, step-by-step process. Step 1, identify key activities. Analyze operations, dissecting broad processes into individual distinct activities. This requires a deep dive into how work is actually performed. Step 2, determine the cost of each activity. Assign all relevant resources and their associated monetary costs to each specific activity, forming your cost pools. Step 3, identify cost drivers for each activity. Determine the primary factor that drives each activity's cost. This is crucial for forecasting and understanding cost behavior. Step 4, forecast activity levels. Estimate the expected volume or level of each activity for the upcoming budget period, linked to overall business projections. Step 5, calculate budgeted costs. Calculate budgeted costs for each activity by multiplying the cost per unit of activity by its forecasted level. This yields a highly accurate, activity-driven budget, allowing precise cost control. Advantages of ABB, why it matters. ABB offers numerous advantages. It provides more accurate cost allocation, leading to a truer understanding of product-service costs. It gives better insight into cost behavior, helping predict cost changes. ABB is exceptional at identifying non-value-added activities, allowing waste elimination. It supports strategic decision-making with detailed cost information. Ultimately, it improves overall efficiency and cost control by focusing on root causes. Disadvantages of ABB, the challenges to consider. Despite benefits, ABB has challenges. It can be complex and time-consuming to implement, requiring thorough analysis. It requires detailed data collection and robust systems. It can be difficult to identify all activities and precise cost drivers. Therefore, ABB may not be suitable for all organizations, especially smaller ones lacking resources. The initial investment can be substantial. Who is it for? Identifying the ideal candidates for ABB. ABB is well suited for organizations with complex operations, diverse product lines, and those seeking detailed cost analysis and significant efficiency improvements. If your goal is granular cost understanding and strategic decision-making based on activity-level insights, ABB can be transformative. ABB is a strategic financial tool. In summary, ABB is a powerful evolution in financial management. It shifts focus to understanding activity-driven costs, providing unparalleled insights. While demanding initially, the long-term benefits of enhanced cost control, improved financial planning, and informed decision-making outweigh the challenge.